Imagine being caught in a legal wrangle for a seemingly simple act, renewing your passport. This is precisely what a government official in Gujarat faced, becoming embroiled in a criminal case for renewing their passport without a No-Objection Certificate, or NOC. The Gujarat High Court, in a significant judgment, quashed the charge sheet, ruling that the omission was an administrative lapse, not a criminal offense. This case has reignited the debate on the proportionality of administrative actions and the critical role of intent in legal judgments. The court's decision is a beacon of hope for individuals ensnared in legal battles over bureaucratic oversights. This case transcends the individual. It underscores the need for a humane and just legal system that distinguishes between genuine wrongdoing and unintentional errors. At the heart of this case lies a government official whose identity remains protected. The official, while employed in a government department, applied for a passport renewal. During the process, they inadvertently missed submitting the requisite NOC from their employer. This seemingly minor oversight triggered a chain of events leading to a criminal charge sheet against the official. The charge sheet alleged serious offenses, painting a picture of intentional deceit and disregard for the law. However, as the court delved deeper, a different narrative emerged, one of an administrative lapse rather than a calculated criminal act. An NOC, in the context of passport renewal for government employees, acts as a safeguard against potential conflicts of interest or unauthorized travel. It signifies that the employee has fulfilled their obligations and has the employer's consent to travel abroad. While the NOC is undoubtedly essential, the question arises, should its absence automatically trigger criminal proceedings? The Gujarat High Court, in its landmark judgment, resoundingly said no. Section 4. The High Court's verdict, a triumph of reason. The Gujarat High Court, known for its progressive judgments, meticulously examined the facts of the case. They recognized that the official had no prior history of misconduct and that the omission of the NOC was unintentional. The court emphasized that the purpose of the law is not to punish inadvertent errors, but to deter and penalize deliberate wrongdoing. The court opined that resorting to criminal prosecution for an administrative lapse was like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Such an approach, they argued, undermines the principle of proportionality, a cornerstone of a just legal system. Section 5. Key takeaways: proportionality, internal mechanisms, and intent. This case offers several crucial takeaways. Firstly, it underscores the importance of proportionality in administrative actions. Every rule, every regulation must be enforced with a sense of proportion and balance. Secondly, the judgment highlights the significance of internal mechanisms within organizations to address lapses and oversights. Instead of resorting to criminal prosecution, employers should have robust internal processes to deal with such situations. Lastly, the court's emphasis on intent is particularly noteworthy. Was the omission intentional, aimed at circumventing the law, or was it an inadvertent error? This distinction is crucial in determining guilt and meting out appropriate consequences. Section 6. Beyond the case, a call for administrative reform. The Gujarat High Court's decision is a timely reminder of the need for administrative reforms. While rules and regulations are essential for the smooth functioning of any system, their implementation must be tempered with reason and fairness. Overzealous prosecution and the criminalization of administrative lapses only serve to erode public trust in the system. This case is a clarion call for a more humane and just approach to administrative law. It urges us to reflect on the true purpose of the law, to ensure justice, not to punish inadvertent errors.